Get the So what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today maglalaro tayo ng Rainbow Friends. And now, okay, alam ko sinasabi niyo, Jericho, na-skip mo yun, Rainbow Friends Chapter 1. I know, right? I know, right? May Chapter 1 dito. Kala mo hindi alam, bago lang. Oh my god, what? Oh, not getting that yet. Oh my. Sis! 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 Bye-bye! Kailangan ko na-complete ang whole story. Yes, kailangan ko ma-complete ang whole story. Pag hindi ko na-complete ang story, big punishment sa akin mangyayari. Grabe ang dami. Grabe. Wala pa. Ang dami ko. Ang dami. Grabe. Not good. This is not good. Not good. Oh my god. Oh, shit. 나처럼 괜찮아 괜찮아요 Okay, Green, kalma ka lang. Kalma. I'm so, oh my, no, this is not, it's not funny. Oh my god, great, thank you, Green, that's impossible. Oh my god, this is not gonna happen. What I expect today, right? This is not gonna happen. What I expect today. Wait, this the game switch. Oh my god. Oh my god. Mr. Bacon, did you get something in? Oh, never mind. I'm not going in there anymore. Okay. Yes, we only gonna get only four more, guys. 4 more, then this hour ends. Just one more. Only one more, guys. Only one more. I thought it was blue. Right, Stacy. Scared me. Gonna waste my time and play, bruh. Get some good thing in there. What is the highlighted man? That scared me. Natakot ako doon. Kasi yung highlighted na na ilaw na saan. Saan yun? Ay, bonak. Dito kayo. Namatay pa. Doon nga yun. Boat skip. Yeah. Boat skip, guys. Hey, did you ever up your... Oh. Nope, I'm not. Click. Right. This is actually an SOS, like, I mean, wow. Oh! Nantachiplo! Oh no. No, using emote. are only 5 minutes, I think. I think we're only 5 minutes more to go. Okay. Oh no, there's it. No. Oh my god. Mr. Oh. Oh, oh, oh my god. Oh my god. Here. Oh no. That works. Don't find a safe place to land. Gonna jump in. Oh yes. What? There's blue. There's blue. There's blue. There's blue. There's blue. Guys, nangyari kay Blue. Hindi ko. Oh. Yellow. Huwag mo akong kunin ulit. Kunin doon kasi. Sorry. No! Namastoek. Oh my god. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh. Okay, we're going off to left. Gas canisters. Is it? Oh my god. Here. Yellow. Are you kidding? Oh no, no. Nice one, yellow. Nice one, yellow. But you're not gonna stop me. Oh. Okay, I know I'm not scared, and I'm gonna go and get it. Gas canisters. Okay, bada-bada. Let's go guys, let's go. Okay, alis na tayo dito. Guys, alis na tayo dito. Sana wala si Blue. Oh my god. Sana wala si Blue, nakakaasar. Sana wala si Blue. Yan, sana wala si Blue. Wala yun. Natapos natin yun. Oh my god, this is so impressive. Ay, 4 na lang. Skip. Oh, what the? Oh! KO! We lose. That's bullshit. Whoa, get up here. Alright, everybody, let's try this again. Collect all those cookies you just released and my life. Oh, and this time, there's the time. Guys, buksan nyo. Dalawa na lang kami. Ang babadak ninyo! guys. Isa lang. Matatalo ka. Uy! Ay, pinsan ko nagsiselfon na. Oh, ayun pala. Nakuha akong Loki.
Para sa mga Pinoy ang gase. Magbabalik sa Pilipinas.
Mr. Loki. Right here, Mr. Loki. This is your guys' face. This is your guys' face, right?
Pero bago ang kanyang concert, magkakaroon na siya.
You. Get in there.
Sa kalilipad, Maynila, sa September 8, para
in
sa
there.
Francis Showcase.
Ano?
From their theaters
Okay.
Ay nagbeses pang pabalik-balik ang artist sa bansa. Matatala ang
This challenge only gets harder and harder. Oh, there's 8. Okay, gonna be 2 left. Oh, it's gonna be 2 left. Okay. Let's go! Okay, good. So we start all. What? How is it not the show? Okay. Don't worry, I'm okay. Oh, no, you're not. You're shirtless. My first escape plan failed. But there's only one more to get out here. Yes, go coaster. You need just find a way to get this lucky move. Oh, there's a cake around here. He'd do anything for a slice of cake. So why did you know? Why did you know? Oh, there's a ladybug. Oh, there's Cyan. There's Cyan. Cyan? I wonder why she's interested in that bag. There's nothing dead of us. Yes? There's nothing dead of us. Okay. Now let's find the sugar box. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Vic. Okay. I'm not gonna get this. Yes, I'm gonna get this. There's queen. Okay, I get it. Oh my gosh. Cyan is here, guys. I think Cyan is there. Yes, I did care. Yeah, the only sugar box. Okay, slowly and surely. It's the best medicine in here. Now guys, di ba ano ta? Oo, ay nakikita ko sa... Kung gagalaw, sinasabi ko sa'yo, kung gagalaw, huwag kang gagalaw, huwag kang gagalaw, kung gagalaw.
Bakit dito yung biyak? Alam mo na, kumuha mo kayo ng kapatid. Hindi ka na nalog, balik-balik lang. Sa talong pare,
No! Natatakot pa naman ako isa lang naman. Uy, meron to. Okay. If I boot this, we still need 5 left, okay? Okay, there's 3. Still 4 left. Still 4 left. And ready to shine, fine. We are not fine in here because I'm scared. I'm ready to pee, and I'm just the last one. Okay. I don't know how I. What? Okay. I still only have. No time. If you want. Oh. The heck? Oh, there it is. It is. Scared me. Science scared me. Oh. Swaggy. Mr.
and so on and so forth.
Scotch. It is. Bro! I don't have that one. If you want to see the full, click subscribe. Okay? Bye-bye. Ito na po yun pagtatapos ng video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Turn on notifications. Wag mong kalimutan mag-comment kung gusto mo pa ng chapter 1 muna. Kaya, okay. Sa huli, ayun na yung huli. Bye-bye.